Hello everyone. In today's tutorial, we will show you how to run Claude Code inside Docker. We will set up the container step by step, configure the environment, and make sure everything is working properly. This way, you can start coding with Claude in an isolated and portable setup. Now, on your Docker desktop dashboard, if you want to connect and start using Claude, all you have to do is click on MCP Toolkit. Here, you will see your client profiles and where you want to connect your Docker. Once you are here, just click the Clients option at the top. You will see Claude Code listed there. If you do not have Claude Code installed yet, all you have to do is download it. You can download both versions if needed. Once you have finished downloading Claude Code, you just need to connect them. A Connect button will appear here, so you can link it with your Docker desktop. Now you can start using Claude AI. It will work even better with your Docker setups. Claude Code is now running inside Docker. We have successfully created a clean development environment that is easy to manage and deploy anywhere.